Can't stand it to the corner. Run again, south side. Let's go.
South side.
Go, wind the punch. Wind the punch, go. Blue. Brian got too slow, they walked through. Get over there quick. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. What am I saying? Good. Valley. Saying like you reap what you sow. Let's go. Valley. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Excellent. Let's go. Poor job, Domingo. Set the screen up top, man. Set the screen right here. Now watch. Set it right here. Valley.
Precision, fellas. Let's go.
You gotta be perfectly trying to get me. Unbelievable. Blue ball. And the ball. Nobody's guarding. Shuffle down. Wind the blue. Triple. Good to hog the ball. You gotta go hard. Good. Go get it.
Safety J.
53. That big gonna be open for the layup.
53.
You didn't look at Cam. Go, 53. I said big open for the layup. Look that first. 53. Good. Run again. 53. With the pass. Now we playing. Good. Get all Yashi. Good. Rally down. Shuffle punch. Let's go. Shuffle punch. Run again, Bird. You got to take one dribble. You ain't going to be able to get it there. You got to take one dribble down, deliver. I got to hold this post. You got to hold it.
Hold your post high.
Blue. Bulldog. Bulldog twist. 25. 25. Blue, through.
Through an elbow. Yep. Through an elbow. Right here.
Go, Bulldog. Twist. Give him a chance to come off twist. Let him come off one way, then sprint and get it. Dolly punch. 45.
45.
All the way up.
Sounds of like Shootaround.
Execute.
Valley. No. 14.
14.
You the 4. Elbow. 5. Let's play.
There it go.
Right again. Rip and drive it now. Rip and drive it.
Shot eye. Hard grip. Ivan, I like that.
Blue, Valley smash. Sam's back. Remember, run again. Valley smash. You got to get that first. You got the layup. You don't have to throw it now. You can't all of a sudden do is run ahead. Make that guy bite this, then you set the ball straight. Let's go. There you go. Come on. Go, Valley smash.
Backward.
Run it again. Blue, split 2.
Split 2.
Oh, wait.
Oh. Split 2. Drop there.
Sounds of Shootaround. Play calls. Speaking of the floor, stuff like that.
For what?
Chaka's project.